Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into a company called Kashable.com, which offers employer-sponsored personal loans to help employees handle unexpected expenses. It's a fancy way of saying they help you out when your emergency fund turns out to be a jar of pennies and a half-eaten granola bar. The big question, of course, is whether Kashable is actually legit or just another digital mirage. Let's look at the evidence together and see if they pass the smell test. First off, we checked their social media, and they are surprisingly active on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. With over 21,000 followers on LinkedIn, they're clearly not hiding in a basement somewhere. A solid online presence is usually a good sign, or at the very least, it proves they have a social media manager who actually shows up for work. They also have apps available on both the Google Play and Apple App Stores. Since those platforms make developers jump through more hoops than a circus poodle, it's a strong indicator that the company is secure and meets basic industry standards. Moving on to the About Us page, we found actual human beings named Rishi Kumar and Inat Steele listed as the founders, complete with real photos. I love this level of transparency because when a company shows you who's behind the curtain, it builds a lot of trust. Plus, it gives you a specific face to visualize if you ever need to complain. They also provide a real email, phone number, and physical address, which is a nice change of pace from companies that hide behind a generic contact form that leads directly into a digital black hole. Now let's talk reviews. On Trustpilot, they've got a mediocre 2.9-star rating, but that's only based on 4 people, which is hardly a representative sample. However, over on Facebook, there are about 370 reviews that are mostly positive. Many users claim Kashable helped them get funds quickly during tight spots like the holidays, because nothing says festive spirit quite like a last-minute loan. People seem to appreciate the easy application and fast approval process, though a few users did mention some hiccups with refinancing later on. So is Kashable legit? Based on their active social media, transparent leadership, and presence on major app stores, they certainly appear to be a trustworthy platform. Most users seem to have a positive experience, even if the world of high-interest lending isn't exactly a fairy tale. Just keep in mind that your experience might vary depending on your specific financial situation and whether the loan gods are smiling on you that day. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy out there.